Hey friends, Dr. Cindy here. If you've been on the carnivore diet or the keto diet and you've still noticed weight gain, this video might explain why. Today, we're diving into lipotoxicity and how adding too much fat may backfire. Lipotoxicity happens when fat accumulates in tissues where it doesn't belong, like the liver, muscles, or heart, leading to disrupted metabolism, insulin resistance, and stubborn fat gain. In a diet heavy in fat without energy demand, your body can get overwhelmed. Carnivore proponents often say fat's limitless, but if your body isn't metabolizing that surplus, lipotoxicity can set in. This can impair your metabolism, reduce insulin sensitivity, and cause weight gain. Not because you're lacking willpower, but because your cells are struggling to churn through the excess fat. This unexplained midsection weight gain, sluggish energy, or plateaued weight loss, especially during that 8-week mark, if that's happening, your body might be saying too much fat coming in, not enough going out. I'm going to tell you, this definitely resonates with me, and that's why I want to talk about it. I think it was a YouTube podcast came through, and it was I didn't know that there was actually a term for it. But when I did carnivore back in 2021, 2022, I did it for inflammation. The first 2 months seemed to be going great. And then all of a sudden I started gaining weight, and everybody kept saying, eat more fat, eat more fat. And the more fat that I ate, the more weight that I gained. And recently, when I was inflamed over January, February this year, I went to more keto-ish, I guess, and I was getting mostly just fats and proteins in, and I started noticing the same thing. I was holding weight in my midsection, wasn't able to shake it, and so this explains exactly what was going on. So here's your roadmap. I want you to check your fasting insulin, your lipid panels, liver function test, especially liver enzymes, and maybe even an ultrasound to check for fatty liver. If lipotoxicity signs show up, I want you to scale back the added fats like butter, lard, or tallow, and let your body rely more on its own fat stores. Reintroduce fat more strategically based on hunger, activity level, and metabolic demand, not just abundance. So forget about when people say, oh, you can eat all the fat you want. No, if your fat cells are overloaded, you will put on weight. So yes, even on carnivore, unlimited fat isn't always a free pass, especially if lipotoxicity is throwing off metabolism. Tune into your body, let go of the fat scroll, and adjust based on what your labs and energy levels tell you. If you've been there, or you want help tweaking, drop a comment or hit like. Let's support each other in navigating this together. And until next time, stay curious, stay tuned, and be well.